What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera shutter lag in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all open camera. Now tap on this drop down arrow and from this menu tap on settings. Now scroll down to the end and here tap on restore default settings and then tap on OK. And after resetting the camera settings back to default, the camera shutter lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the camera icon and then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory and user data. So to clear it, tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm, and then tap on clear all data and then tap on OK again to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory and user data, the camera shutter lag issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the same shutter lag issue, then the last solution is try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone and then tap on the software version. Now here check if your phone have any available update or not. So if you have any update available, then update the phone to the latest version. And after updating the phone's software to the latest version, it will fix the small software glitches like shutter lag issue. So that's how you can fix the camera shutter lag issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.